loves you very much? Who loves you very much? Who? Tell me. Who loves you very much? Do you know? Who?
What is it?
Who loves you very much? She's not. She's thinking. Who loves you?
What's the name?
Who loves you very much? I'm supposed to say it like that. Very much. Who? She's not answering. She doesn't want to record it. Wow. She's smart. I think you're gonna be a lawyer.